assignment is about triggers. So for this assignment I created two triggers on indenter table. Let's look at indenter table itself first. So in this table we have indenter ID, first name, last name and the phone number. Here we already have two triggers, but basically to create a trigger we click here, new trigger, and here just add code for the trigger we need. Let's look at first one, indenter update. Okay, we can see that here we see alter, but when you create, here should be create. So this command is to create a trigger. This is trigger name on indenter table, and this trigger will be executed after insert or update. Here we declare variables that will hold old values. This is just a variable for the user that made changes to indenter table, and these are variables for new values. So when we insert or update records in the table, SQL Server creates two temporary tables. They are called deleted and inserted tables. So here we select value from first name column from temporary deleted table to this variable. So basically here we have old values in this section, and in this section we have new values. So again, just select value from first name column from inserted table and assign this value to new name variable. On this line we insert all these values to indenter log table, and this indenter log table will have these columns: old name, old last name, old phone number, new name, new last name, new phone number, updated by, and last time of update. So basically the idea of this trigger, let's say we have intern in our company, we can't fully trust him, and he has to do some updates on indenter table, and we just want to have some kind of log where we can see what he did. So let's test this trigger. Okay, we have to go to indenter table, and we should do some changes. Okay, let's say instead of Timur we will have a Tim, and here we will have Artersky. Alright, now let's go to indenter log table and see what we got. Here it's old record. I just tested like 10 minutes ago, and this is our new record what we got right now. So this is old name, old last name, old phone number, and these are changes that we've just made. So new name, new last name, phone, is the same, and the update was made by database owner at this date at this time. Now let's look at the second trigger. So there are different types of triggers. First one is after trigger, and the second is instead of triggers. They both are used for database development, and in this example I used instead of trigger. But for this particular example, we also could use after trigger. So this is trigger name. It's used on indenter table, and the idea of this trigger, when our intern, our user, tries to delete some record, he gets this error message that he's not allowed to delete any records from this table, and this raise error has different parameters. First one is severity, and the second is a state. So when we have 16, it means that this deletion will not be executed. So let's try if this trigger works. Let's go to indenter table and try to delete some record. Alright, here we can see error message. So this is message that we created. You are not allowed to delete records from this table. Okay, and as we can see, this record still here, it was not deleted. So this is it for this assignment. Again, I created two different triggers, and they are simplified, but I think that the idea of these triggers could be used in a real company environment. Thank you.